Today's lesson is a never-ending line lesson with geometric shapes and color theory. You will need a piece of white paper and a Sharpie or any black marker, a circle tracer of your choice. I will be using a water cup, and anything to color in with, crayons, markers, colored pencils, or a variety of all three. I will be using colored pencils for this. Now let's get started. We are going to begin in the bottom left-hand corner. By using my Sharpie, I'm going to create a line going all around the page. I'm going to make my line variety really small, so I have a lot of different types of lines. You can use bumpy lines, zigzag lines, castle lines, straight lines, any different types of lines to complete this project. You will continue your line as closely as possible without overlapping or intersecting your line ever on this page. Continue making your line around the page and try your best to finish your line where you started. Now we're going to take our circle tracer, I'm using a water cup, and you're going to trace 3 circles in pencil on your paper. All you have to do is 3. Now if you traced your circle in pencil, you're going to use your Sharpie and trace over your pencil lines with Sharpie. If you did your circle in Sharpie already, you can skip this step. Now it's time to start coloring in just the circles. We're going to be using the secondary colors, which are purple, orange, and green. I found a variety of my oranges, and I'm going to do my first circle in orange. Each section that I have created will get a different color. So I like to have about 4 different colors of each color available for me to start coloring. It's nice to have a variety of colors available to do this, but if you don't and you just have 2 colors to color it in, that's fine too. Your project's going to come out just perfect. You could use 1 orange marker, 1 orange crayon, and 1 orange colored pencil and still get the same effect that I will get using just colored pencils. Now, if you want to color in these circles any colors you want to, that's totally fine as well. I'm doing mine in the secondary colors, but if you want to do yours in all pinks and all purples and all blues, that's totally up to you. If you want to draw more circles and have a rainbow, you can do that too. There's so much variety for this project. Do not think you just have to copy mine. Just go with it and have fun and make sure you are coloring in the lines. So I'm moving on to my second color, which is green. I have 4 colored pencils ready to go to do this project. Again, if you don't have a lot of variety of your colored pencils and you want to use markers and crayons all together, totally works. Just make sure you're coloring in those lines. I think the more color, it makes it really interesting, but it's okay if you just have 2 colors. Just make sure that each space is getting a different color and the same color isn't touching in each space. So each color definitely pops on its own. So now you can see I'm starting my last circle, which is going to be purple. I have 4 colored pencils ready for this, and I'm doing the same thing I did with my other 2 circles, using the different variety of the same color to fill in each different space, coloring inside the lines, coloring in the whole space, filling up that space, definitely taking my time. Just so you guys know, my video is on fast forward, so this took a little bit to color in. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you guys had fun too. So now we are all done with our never-ending geometric color theory secondary color line project.